Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Today we have an opportunity to be a photo studio assistant producer. This job pays $32.52 per hour. Your classification will be an employee. You'll be a W-2 employee. You work 40 hours a week, and it starts in June till June of next year, so a whole year. Our customer is an American worldwide clothing and accessories retailer founded in 1969. Over the last 50 years, the company has grown from a single store to a global fashion business with 7 brands. Their clothes are available in 90 countries worldwide through over 3,100 company-operated stores, almost 400 franchise stores and e-commerce sites, and are still growing. We're seeking an assistant producer on a contract basis to support their business needs. The ideal candidate will be responsible for assisting the associate producer and producers in the project management of web marketing launches from initiation to execution. What you'll do: general understanding of business goals and requirements for website projects. Assist in creation and detailed implementation schedules of each project and communicate with needed project resources. Assist in the coordination of project activities from various business parties, including merchandising, marketing, creative, web development, QA, and third-party vendors, among others. Help ensure the project is launched on time and meets initial project requirements. Keep associate producer and producer notified of progress and or deviation from project schedule, deliverables, milestone dates, resources, etc. Helps drive the review and final sign-off of website content. Documents feedback and manages any required changes. Assists in leading key meetings owned by production. Records action items and communicates out to owners to follow up and competition. Assist business partners to manage the production of product content, copy, images, and outfits. Leverages site product content and category management tools to update and push content to the website. Responds quickly to changes in scope of our project schedule, communicating to production management any impacts on the project and the overall website. Acts as the first line of support for cross-functional teams within the brand when website and tool production issues incur. Works with producer and associate producer to help facilitate resolutions with tech operations and product management team, and helps communicate updates to brand partners. Assist associate producer or producer with the development of communications on business partner on-site tool issue status, feature releases, dates, and workarounds. Assist with documentation, maintenance, and communication of the monthly, weekly site content delivery schedule. Works with manager to ensure accuracy on an ongoing basis. Learns and understands processes and communications methods of delivery schedule. Suggests any improvement areas when needed and works with associate producer or producer to implement change. Proactively seeks out opportunities to learn more about brand businesses, processes, and systems. Uses knowledge to suggest new ideas and change to improve the overall efficiency of processes. Must-haves: at least 1 to 3 years of related online experience with a strong preference for e-commerce, 1 to 3 years of detailed task planning and execution experience, direct experience with website tools and technology preferred, highly detail-oriented, must have experience in managing project management and communication deliverables, for multiple projects at any given time is preferred, must have excellent oral/written communication and analytical and interpersonal skills, must be self-motivated and driven, must have the ability to work well independently and within a group setting. Education: bachelor degree preferred or equivalent experience. It is Monday through Friday, 40 hours a week, and this role is 100% remote. So if you feel like you're the perfect fit for this particular project, I'll put the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, it's okay. We're going to have 5 to 7 job leads every single day on this channel. If you want to keep up and be updated, first hit the like button because it helps us reach more people just like you. And second, subscribe and hit the notification bell because you'll be notified and subscribe and you'll know when the next opportunity comes your way. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.